Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to get up to 40% discount on GetResponse with coupon code. Normally, GetResponse charges $19 per month for email marketing, $59 per month for marketing automation, and $119 per month for e-commerce marketing. But today, I will show you how to get this with almost a 40% discount. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. To apply the GetResponse coupon code, first of all, click the link I've added in the description box. This link offers up to a 40% discount and a free custom domain for 1 year. Now, you will see a screen like this. At the top right of the screen, click on the Sign Up Free button. Next, enter your name, email address, and password to create a GetResponse account. If you already have a Gmail or Microsoft account, you can sign up directly by selecting one of these options. Once logged in, you will see a screen like this. At the top right of the screen, click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, click on Upgrade Account. Now, you will see different packages. Choose the 24-month plan to get the maximum discount. The price will automatically be reduced by almost 40%. Choose your package and select the Upgrade button. On the new screen, choose a payment method, either credit card or PayPal. Once selected, tap the Upgrade Account button and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, you have successfully received almost a 40% discount and a 1-year custom domain for free.